Imagine a watch that never needs winding, never needs a battery change, and still runs perfectly for years just by using light. Sounds too good to be true? That's exactly what solar watches are doing right now, and they're quietly shaking the entire watch industry. For decades, automatic watches were the king of craftsmanship, the rotor, the mechanical movement, the luxury feel. But now a new generation is asking a simple question: why deal with maintenance when you don't have to? Today, we're counting down the top 7 solar watches that are making automatic watches look outdated, from rugged tool watches to premium timepieces that might just change your mind forever. Stick till the end, because number 1 is not just a watch. It's a statement against traditional luxury. Then cut directly to, let's start, number 7. Timex Expedition Northfield Solar. Timex Expedition Northfield Solar is the perfect gateway into sustainable timekeeping for the outdoor enthusiast who refuses to compromise on durability or style. Powered entirely by any light source, natural or artificial, this watch harnesses solar energy to keep you moving without ever needing a battery replacement. Its rugged construction features a robust case built to withstand the demands of trail, forest, and field alike, while the bold dial design keeps readability sharp even in harsh lighting conditions. The Northfield Solar is water-resistant to 50 meters, making it a reliable companion whether you're caught in a downpour or crossing a stream. A scratch-resistant mineral crystal lens protects the face from the inevitable bumps of backcountry adventures. The canvas and nylon strap options give it an authentically adventurous aesthetic that pairs effortlessly with outdoor gear. Timex delivers its signature Indiglow nightlight technology, ensuring you can read the time in complete darkness with a single button press. Lightweight enough for all-day wear, it won't slow you down on long hikes or multi-day expeditions. The no-frills, clean interface makes operation intuitive for all ages and experience levels. Date display functionality adds everyday practicality beyond wilderness use. It charges quickly under office lighting. Number 6. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer. Solar. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer. Solar is a thrilling fusion of motorsport, heritage, and cutting-edge solar innovation designed for those who live life at full throttle. Inspired by the golden era of Seiko chronographs from the 1960s and 70s, this watch pays homage to speed while embracing the forward-thinking efficiency of solar power. The tachymeter bezel is a functional nod to its racing roots, enabling wearers to calculate speed based on elapsed time, a feature beloved by enthusiasts of both motorsport and horology. Powered by Seiko's reliable V192 solar movement, the speed timer charges via both natural and artificial light, eliminating battery anxiety permanently. Its stainless steel case offers a premium heft and feel that signals craftsmanship at every angle. The bidirectional rotating bezel is smooth and precise, adding a tactile pleasure to every interaction. Water resistance rated to 100 meters makes it capable far beyond the racetrack or the boardroom. The bold chronograph sub-dials are arranged for maximum legibility, clearly separating hours, minutes, and seconds at a glance. A sapphire crystal lens shields the stunning dial from scratches and everyday wear with superb clarity. The bracelet and case finishing alternates between brushed and polished surfaces, creating a dynamic visual texture that catches light beautifully. Seiko's attention to dial depth and layer gives the Speed Timer Solar an almost three-dimensional visual richness. The pushers have a satisfying mechanical click that makes operating the chronograph a genuine pleasure. This is a watch that feels equally at home at a track day event, a business lunch, or a casual weekend outing. Number 5. Casio G-Shock GW M5610U. Casio G-Shock GW M5610U is the definitive expression of what a tough, smart, and solar-powered digital watch can be, a legend refined to near perfection. This compact square case G-Shock carries the unmistakable DNA of the original DW5600 that launched, a revolution in watch design back in 1983, now upgraded with modern radio-controlled timekeeping for atomic-level accuracy. The GW-M561U receives time calibration signals from up to 6 radio transmitters worldwide, automatically syncing to keep your time flawlessly precise across time zones. Its solar-charged rechargeable cell keeps the watch running indefinitely with minimal light exposure, making battery changes a permanent thing of the past. The case is constructed with Casio's legendary triple-layer hollow structure, providing a shock resistance that has been tested against drops, vibrations, and even the chaos of professional construction sites. Water resistance reaches an impressive 200 meters, placing it comfortably in the territory of serious recreational diving. The negative LCD display with LED backlight delivers crisp readability in all lighting environments. Multiband atomic timekeeping eliminates the need for manual time adjustments even when traveling between countries. World Time function covers 39 time zones, making it indispensable for frequent international travelers. Number 4. Citizen ProMaster Dive Eco Drive. Citizen ProMaster Dive Eco Drive is a professional-grade dive watch that proves solar power and serious underwater-powered capability are not mutually exclusive. They are, in fact, a natural partnership. Built to exceed ISO 6425 dive watch standards, this timepiece is water-resistant to a formidable 200 meters, making it suitable for recreational scuba diving, snorkeling, and demanding water sports without hesitation. Citizen's Eco Drive technology converts any light, natural or artificial, into electrical energy, storing it in a power cell that can sustain the watch for months on a single full charge, even in complete darkness. The unidirectional rotating bezel is engineered for precision and safety, preventing accidental backward rotation that could cause a diver to miscalculate remaining airtime. The bold, highly legible dial uses luminous markers and hands that deliver outstanding visibility even at depth in low-light conditions. A screwback case and screw-lock crown ensure watertight integrity under pressure, providing peace of mind on every dive. The stainless steel case and bracelet are finished to a high standard, balancing dive-ready robustness with genuine wrist presence above the surface. An anti-reflective coating on the sapphire crystal ensures that light scatter never compromises readability underwater or on land. Number 3. Seiko Astron GPS Solar. Seiko Astron GPS. Solar is a landmark achievement in watchmaking, the world's first GPS solar watch, and a timepiece that continues to represent the pinnacle of precision, convenience, and technological sophistication. By connecting directly to GPS satellites orbiting the Earth, the Astron retrieves not only accurate time data, but also location information, allowing it to automatically set itself to the correct local time anywhere on the planet with a single button press. This makes it the ultimate companion for the international traveler, eliminating jet lag confusion, manual time, zone adjustments, and the risk of missed appointments in unfamiliar cities. Powered entirely by light through Seiko's advanced EcoDrive solar cells integrated beneath the dial, the Astron never requires a battery change. The Earth's light is its only fuel source. The titanium case is remarkably lightweight for its size, reducing wrist fatigue dramatically during long-haul travel days without sacrificing structural integrity. A super-clear sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating delivers dial views of exceptional clarity and depth. The movement is accurate to +1 second per day after GPS synchronization, a precision standard that rivals the most sophisticated quartz movements ever produced. Seiko has paired this technical excellence with dial designs that range from subtle elegance to bold sportiness, ensuring the Astron suits varied personal aesthetics. The bracelet's micro-adjustment clasp allows for precise sizing comfort across different temperatures and conditions. Number 2. Casio G-Shock MTG B3000. Casio G-Shock MTG B3000 sits at the absolute summit of the G-Shock lineup, representing the brand's most sophisticated marriage of toughness, luxury, and intelligent solar connectivity in a single extraordinary timepiece. The MTG series has always occupied a unique space, elevated premium construction meeting, G-Shock's legendary durability, and the B3000 refines that identity to a new level of excellence. Its carbon monocoque structure uses a carbon-reinforced frame that simultaneously reduces weight and dramatically increases rigidity, creating a case architecture that can absorb shocks. Conventional metal structures simply cannot. Solar charging is paired with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing the watch to synchronize time automatically via the Casio connected app and multi-band radio, ensuring atomic precision is always maintained across time zones effortlessly. The dial is a masterwork of layered depth, featuring multiple textures, and finishes that shift and shimmer under different lighting conditions, making it one of the most visually dramatic watch faces in the G-Shock catalog. Sapphire crystal with double-sided anti-reflective coating provides unobstructed clarity and scratch resistance worthy of a luxury timepiece. Water resistance to 200 meters ensures this premium instrument remains as capable in extreme environments as its more utilitarian siblings. Number 1. Citizen Atessa Satellite Wave. GPS Citizen Atessa Satellite Wave GPS stands alone at the top of this list as the most comprehensively accomplished solar-powered timepiece ever created for the discerning everyday wearer. A watch that redefines what is possible when Japanese engineering mastery meets an unwavering commitment to perfection. Utilizing GPS satellite signals from both the American GPS network and Japan's QZSS system, the Atessa achieves time synchronization, accuracy of +1 second per day anywhere on Earth, a feat that places it in the same precision category as the world's finest atomic references. The super titanium case, harder than standard titanium, lighter than steel, undergoes Citizen's proprietary Duratect surface treatment, achieving a hardness that resists scratches with a tenacity that borders on the miraculous, ensuring the watch looks pristine years after purchase. Eco-Drive solar technology converts even the faintest indoor light into stored energy, with a full charge lasting approximately 6 months in complete darkness, offering unparalleled independence from any external power source. The Atessa's intelligent GPS reception activates automatically, targeting the optimal satellite window based on position data, completing a time fix in as little as 3 seconds, faster than any competitor in its class. A slim case profile of under 10 millimeters allows the Atessa to slip beneath a shirt cuff with the elegance of a dress watch, a rarity in a category often dominated by thick sporting designs.